Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Did you know that in just 4 months, you or your child can learn to read the Quran independently? Inshallah. If the Qaida is understood properly, reading the Quran becomes automatic and easy. Today we are learning two very powerful Muqattaat combinations. What are these letters? These are Muqattaat letters. They appear at the beginning of surahs in the Quran. They are not read as words, they are read letter by letter. Example: Meem Ain Seen Qaaf. If a student can read these correctly, regular Quran reading becomes much easier. What is special about this? Kaf ha ya ain sad is one of the longest Muqattaat combinations, which is composed on 5 letters. It contains Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad. Remember that. Do not break your breath during the pronunciation or reading of these letters. In these 5 letters, one letter which is heavy letter, that is Sad. Repeat after me, repeat after me. Do not break your breath during the reading of these letters. Kaf, ha, ya, ain, sad. And remember it, these are called muqatta'at, mean that combinations of letter. Kaf, ha, ya, ain, sad. You are watching this one sign. It shows that you have to stretch this letter for 1 second. And another sign, it shows that you have to stretch this letter for 5 seconds. This is the difference among the stretching signs. Meem Ain Seen Qaaf. With a straight sign, vertically straight sign, it shows that stretch the letter for 1 second, and which is horizontal sign. On Meem, it shows that you should stretch the letter for 5 seconds. So listen. Meem Ain Seen Qaaf. Are you getting point? Listen carefully and repeat after me. Meem Ain Seen Qaaf. Practice makes a person perfect. If you complete Noorani Qaida properly, within 4 months, inshallah, you or your child will start reading the Quran or reciting the Quran independently. When Qaida is strong, Quran becomes easy. If you would like structured learning, we offer online Quran classes for kids and adults. Join our complete course and build a strong foundation. Contact online Quran tutor on the number given below. Thank you.